Y'all, imagine going through a hurricane, living for about 6 days without water or current, and then coming back to foreign and now not having any current. Imagine. Just imagine. I told you guys, if I was born a seasoning, I would be salt. Like, not, I can't stop so. Like gone. Big power outage in Toronto. We had this big rainstorm today. Everywhere's flooded out. And yeah, I went to the dentist to try to see if I could get this extraction done, and like gone. Like, can't bother. But anyways, yeah, I'm back home in Canada. Okay, bye. Hi guys. Today, it's July 18th. It's my anniversary. Yeah, big up year 4. Thank you. But really quickly, I wanted to share this with you guys. First and foremost, thank you to everybody for all of the heartfelt wishes and condolences for both myself, my family, and especially for Kiana, my sister. She appreciates it, I appreciate it, the family appreciates it. I'm pretty sure Cam appreciates it. It's not easy, you guys. It's not easy at all. Like, I don't know. But anyways, I'm not gonna get sappy or anything like that. I want to thank Jeulia for sponsoring this part of the video, you guys, because I did reach out to them, and they did not have to work with me again, but I did reach out to them. I've worked with Jeulia in the past, you guys. When it comes on to jewelry, you guys know I love my accessory pieces, and I'm also just a very sentimental person as well. So I would have showed you guys, like in the past, like one of my necklaces that has like my god kids' names on it. I also have one that has my last name and my wedding date on it as well, and their stuff is really good quality. So if you've never heard of Jeulia before, I will leave all of their information down below, but feel free to go to their website, check them out. They have hundreds of items that you can choose from, hundreds. And again, I don't think they just solely deal with jewelry anymore. They deal with like jewelry accessories, or I think they also have bags now, if I'm not mistaken. But I'll show you guys a little bit in regards to how to navigate the site and stuff like that if you've never gone on it before. But I just quickly wanted to tell you guys about this item that I recently got from them. I really wanted it to come before I went to Jamaica, just because it's a gift for 2 people, and then I got something for myself as well. Don't mind the nails, y'all. We're getting them done soon. But yeah, I reached out to them. I explained to them that, you know, my nephew passed away, and I wanted to know if they had like any type of jewelry where I could add photos to it. So they agreed to gift me some necklaces, you guys, and I was able to go on and customize the necklaces myself. So I'm gonna show you guys exactly how I went about and did that in order to get these. Hi faves. All right, so let's go on to Jeulia.com and make our necklace. It's super easy to navigate. Once you get onto the site, you can either search for what it is that you want if you already kind of have an idea as to what you're looking for. If not, hold down the menu and you will see some options. I automatically just changed the shipping details to my country, so I get all of the accurate information. And then after that, I'm on to personalizing my item. As I told you guys, Jeulia has hundreds of items, And this is just another way that you can navigate the site and kind of narrow down what it is that you're looking for. You can search for products by style. You can search for products by stone type, stone shape, the recipient, price points, occasion, stone color, plating color. And like, do you see the numbers in the brackets of all the options? Amazing. Like, the list is extensive. Just look. And this is just page 1. Like, this is only page 1. Okay? Like, options for everything. Everything. Like, the possibilities are literally endless on this site. And that's why I love Jeulia so much. All right. So now that I know exactly what it is that I'm looking for, I'm going to try to find the chain that I have, or the necklace that I have. So I'm going to search for photo necklace and then go through that and look for my necklace. There she goes. There she goes again. All right, see her there? Yes. So we're gonna click on her. And then usually, like, when I click on an item, I like to, you know, just go through all the pages, kind of see if somebody has it on, to see what it's gonna look like, all of that kind of stuff. So this is what my necklace looks like. This is mine. This is the one that I customized for myself. Yeah, so they have the video so you can see how it's worn and how it looks. And then you also have the pictures that you can go through and kind of get a closer look at what your item will look like when it's done. They also have the 360 option, so yeah, you get to see everything. Like, hello, okay, all right, yeah. So we are scroll and we are scroll, and then now we get to the fun part. So basically, you just click on the photo part, go into your albums, look for the photo that you want, select it, and then it brings you here. And this is where you get to customize your necklace. You get to fix it up, put it how you want it in there, make it bigger, make it smaller, rotate it so that it fits perfectly into it. And then when you're done, just press confirm and it uploads. If your necklace has more than one slot, like mine did, you go and you pick another photo. Look at my baby. He's so handsome. Hi, Popsy. Oh my gosh. And then you do the same thing, wait for it to upload. Boom, done. Mine, I got to pick a birthstone. On my actual one, I did pick the wrong one. Oops, but that's okay. It's pink. I'm a girl, so I'll just girl. And then yeah, I was looking through here because I believe that they did have a option where you could view it, but maybe I just didn't see it. But anyways, after you're done, and you're sure that that's what you want, add to cart. And then this is where you get to see what each side will look like. Yeah. And then you also get a free gift ready package and a little free gift as well. And then you know what to do here. Check out. And so after you do everything, this is initially what your packages will come in. Depending on what you order, you always get a black box. I don't know which is which, so let's just open it up and see. And when you do get your stuff, you get a cute little gift bag. Premium artisan jewelry. Okay, so you get a cute little gift bag, and then inside has like a greeting card, the silver polishing cloth, and a book that just shows like the different types of jewelry pieces that you could get. Like, y'all, when I say the list is extensive, it's extensive. Like, every category underneath the sun, Jeulia got you. If you're going to a wedding and you want a gift, they got you. Mother's Day, Father's Day, got you. Kids, got you. Got everything. Winnie the Pooh, they got, like, they have Disney, everything, okay? Everything. So yeah, this card is just basically talking about their rewards program if you want to join, and then some information stuff that, yeah. So once you get out the box, then you have another little box like this. Ooh, I think this is Kiana's. And I love their pieces because they're so cute and dainty, like so cute and dainty. Hi. Okay, so that's the back, and this is the front. You guys are seeing it clearly. It's angel wings. And hold on, let me find out how to open this. Oh, okay. So you open it from the top. Oh my god, okay. So alright, y'all. So I want to show you guys better. Hold on, let me use my phone. Alright, so that's it closed. So cute and dainty, y'all. So stinking cute. And then you open it up. I asked her to send me her favorite picture of her and Cam. And that's the one that she loves. Sorry, my hands are shaking, y'all. I still can't believe this. I freaking love this. It's so tiny and so cute. Ah! So that's Kay's. And Angie and I wanted gold, so here's one. I don't know whose this is. This one has like a cute little pink stone in the center. Hold on, let me figure out how to open it. Oh, this one is mine. Okay. Oh. Okay, so that's it closed. Yeah. And then opened. That's me and Cam. And then this is him going to school. So I wanted something to remember, like one of my favorite pictures with him, and then like the last he was like at his age. God. I'm gonna cherish this for the rest of my life. Okay, so that's mine, and then the last one is gonna be for Angie. Angie also chose gold. Oh, Angie's is huge. I just felt like I kept going bigger and bigger. Okay. Oh, Angie's has like engraving. Oh my gosh, these are so nice. Okay, so that's the front of Angie's. And then on the back, or no, it opens up and it has her picture in there. Like hers is so simple. Like I should have just got 3 of these. These are nice. It opens up. Sorry, y'all. Ay! Okay. Opens up. Her picture is in there. Kiana's gonna be jealous. Kiana's gonna be jealous. And then it says, I love you, grandson. Oh my god. So stinking cute. Thank you again to Jeulia for working with your girl. Again, I really wish that these came earlier so that I could have honestly just gifted everybody their stuff, but I'll either mail it, or if I know somebody that's going down, I will send it down with them and get a cute reaction from them. They know I got them something, they just don't know exactly what yet. So yeah, so happy with those, super freaking happy with those. So if you've never shopped, y'all, please go. Like, my information in the description box if you need it. Don't say I never put you guys on. Okay? Okay. So guys, this is my anniversary dinner. Isn't it wonderful? Look at that. Barbecue wings, honey garlic wings, and pizza from my favorite place.
Happy anniversary pizza.
Yeah, mushrooms, pepperoni, and ground beef.
See me? Now there's a big man. Big up on yourself.
Anything else? Can you take out the apron, please? Thank you. Bye, guys. Hi, guys. Happy Friday. I had to come and show you guys my outfit because I just felt like I looked so cute today for work. But just a black, I'm not gonna see you too good because the light is shining right here, but a black bodysuit and this cute cargo looking kind of dress skirt. Like, I look so cute today. Hold on. And my nephew is here with me. Yeah, I wear him everywhere I go. Take him everywhere. But yeah, I just got home. I am not staying in. I have to go back on the road and go get some stuff. I have an order that is due tomorrow. Yeah, so I'm about to go finish looking for the stuff for that and then bring my ass home and start on it because it's a lot that I gotta do by tomorrow. So yeah, see y'all later. Hope y'all can see me because I can't see shit, but I made it to Wally World. Yeah. Let's go get the rest of the stuff for this order, and Dollarama's here as well, and then I go to Dollar Tree, and that's it. I'm so irritated. Like, I don't understand. Why don't you guys have anything in the store? You guys don't have chips? That's all I need is chips. And I'm kind of irritated because the first Walmart that I went to that was close by to my workplace had one of the flavor packs that I use. This girl needs 24 and I'm just about to buy 2 of those ones, and she's just gonna have to suck it up and call it a day. Like, 12 of them are free anyways. So yeah, I'm not running around anymore and I'm not wasting any more gas, so that's gonna have to work. I'm so irritated, and I don't want to head that way until my package comes to my mom's, because that's in the area. Like, I'm so irritated. I'll see you guys at the next time. I'm not even stopping at the dollar store. Like, I'm gonna go to Dollar Tree and then figure out my life after that. People, I reach home. Sorry I never come to one until earlier, but I reach home. See the little knickknacks them when I get. I have to do Snickers, Kit Kats, Hershey's, that's mine, some gum. What else? Let's see, what else? Here are the lollipops that I ended up getting, and the theater box candies. And then what else? I have some Pringles cans, some cotton candy, and see the chips them there. They're in the bag, okay? So nobody no come to nothing to me, okay? Yeah. And yeah, I'm currently printing. Wow, yes, currently printing. I have all these printed. It's a lot of papers so far, and I have some other stuff printing right now. Printing the Hershey's. Happy birthday, King Liam. Yeah, so I'm currently printing the Hershey's. I'm doing all the regular glossy paper stuff first, and then after that I'll go into the sticker paper and print everything that's needs to be printed from the sticker paper. It just works better out that way for me. And then yeah, I want to start tonight. I'll see what I can run through, even if I do majority of the candies and then or do the sticker stuff tonight and then do the assembly of the other stuff tomorrow. But I want to wake up early, finish that so that the girl can come and pick up her order and I don't have to worry about that, because I want to go on the road and go and do my nails, y'all. This nail literally popped off when I was decorating for the funeral. Like, I had a band-aid on because it was lifting, and I tied one balloon and poof, popped off. This one started hurting me when I got back. It's lifting, so I just cut it. And then this one, my pinky, do y'all see? My pinky, there's nothing there. So my lady's gonna have to put some gel, extend, and do something magic with this. But my pinky broke like in half, and I don't know if it's ever happened to you guys that wear nails, but like where your nail breaks and like it's separate, like the pieces are separate. The top is separate from the bottom, so the bottom is growing in and the top is like growing out. So that's basically what happened every time for like the last few times that I've had to refill my nails. The pinky I've always had to cut because it starts lifting first, because there's like nothing that it's attached to. The parts that it's attached to is growing out. So finally the one on my nail bed is growing in. So I'm gonna go do that. And then I was waiting for my Amazon package. Baby, why was this driver eating lunch during the time that he's supposed to come and drop off my stuff? So like I literally waited 45 minutes for my package. But anyways, got it, and I'm happy that I'm home. Yesterday was our anniversary, I believe I told y'all, but I ended up getting Babe his gift. I got him a card yesterday, but he didn't read it. And I seen this in the dollar store, this cute bag for you, handsome. And then the next side says for you, handsome, and it's so cute because his gift is blue. And I already seen what I got, but I didn't actually see what I got. So we're gonna exchange gifts tonight. He's currently at the store picking up dinner. We're gonna have Chinese food. My mouth is kind of hurting me a little bit, but I am gonna take another one of my pills once I get the food. And yeah, I'm not gonna try to stay up too late tonight. Hopefully by like 1 o'clock I can go to bed, and then as I said, get up by maybe like 8, and then hopefully I can complete this girl's order by about 12 o'clock. If I have to meet her, I will. But yeah, I want to be done. I don't even know if we're going out tomorrow or what, but yeah, I don't like this sliding, so I'm gonna fix it and come back. But I just wanted to update you guys and let you guys know what's going on. Okay, bye. Y'all, I hope my battery doesn't die, but hi, I'm finally gonna cut. I bought a cute little pie for us for our anniversary. We made it to 4 years, you guys.
And 50.
Yeah, let's get to 5.
50 years now. Oh Lord.
Just cute little strawberry and cream pie.
I eat a 5. I got 4 years. You know what I mean? people, comment down below what is nectar. That's the most. What the difference? What if you just say syrup or wait there, man? Right up. But I'm full. Right.
It's our anniversary. It's our anniversary. Happy birthday to me.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to me. Come, you ready? 1, 2, 3. So corny. Come on.
How you feeling here?
Ooh. Strawberries and cream?
Cream right there? Alright. Slice him up there.
Here. I'm working for you.
Yeah,
pay me?
Yeah.
The anniversary is over. Back to reality.
Let that crumble, so the crumbling. The cream, nice. Yeah, give it a cream.